Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find Chase debit card number without card. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so if you need to find your Chase debit card but you don't have your physical card, here are a few ways to retrieve it. So you can check the Chase's mobile app. So Chase typically doesn't display full credit card or debit card numbers in the app for security reasons, but you can open the Chase mobile app, select your checking account, link to the debit card. Look for digital wallet options like Apple Pay or Google Pay, which may show the last 4 digits of your card number. Number 2, log into Chase online banking. So you can go to chase.com and log in, click on your checking account, and then look for any options related to your debit card. You may see the last 4 digits. The third way here is check for digital wallets like Apple Pay, Google Pay, Samsung Pay. So if you added your Chase debit card to a digital wallet, open Apple Pay, Google Pay or Samsung Pay, select your Chase debit card. You may see the last 4 digits or a tokenized card number. Number 4 here is look at past statements. So review bank statements in your Chase account. Some transactions receipt, especially for online purchase, may show the last 4 digits of your card. Number 5 is contact Chase customer support. So if you still need to find your full card number, you can call Chase at this number here. Then you need to obviously verify your identity and then request a replacement card if needed. For security reasons, Chase at this point in time will not provide you full debit card numbers online or over the phone, but they can issue you a new one if you lost yours. So if you're reading or watching this video in the future, they might change their way they do their banking stuff and might reveal your full number inside the mobile app or when you contact their support.